Hi, Dan Murphy, the Long Island Realtor. Whether buying, selling, or investing in real estate, I can help you get to the closing table. A common question that keeps popping up amongst the people that I've been working with is this time like the last time? So in this video, I'll be discussing the differences of the market leading up to the housing crash versus the market today. Price appreciation is nothing like it was leading up to the housing crash. In 2020, we saw almost 10% appreciation. But if you see the difference leading up to 2006, where homes averaged a little over 10%, 2017 to 2020, homes averaged just a little over 6%. Today, it's much harder to get a loan, and people are more qualified. Whereas back then, anyone could get a mortgage. In this chart, you'll see that product risk has been eliminated and borrower risk is nowhere near where it was, and people can actually afford their home today. From 2004 to 2007, home builders were building more homes, inventory was rising, and prices were rising. Today, inventory is decreasing across the country, causing prices to rise quickly. With all that said, the market is different today than it was back then. Don't let the headlines scare you. Don't let the conversations at the family barbecue scare you. If you're looking to buy or sell real estate, let's connect to see how I can help you today. This is Dan Murphy, the Long Island Realtor. Have a great day.